In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can hide all Facebook photos at once. Like you will hide all your Facebook photos in one click. Like you don't have to hide one by one. So follow the steps in this video and you will be able to hide all Facebook photos. You wanna open your Facebook, and as you can see here, guys, you wanna click on your profile picture at the very bottom right. Okay, now what you wanna do, guys, you wanna scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Now you want to click on settings in the top. Now what you want to do, guys, second, you want to just click on profile settings in the top. You want to click on profile settings, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on activity log, as you can see. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click on manage your posts here. Now after you click on manage your posts, you want to wait a few seconds and click on filters in the top left, filters, and then you want to click on categories, and then you want to select photos and videos, and then you want to click on all in the top left, all, select all. So after that, guys, you want to just click on archive. Okay, you want to click on archive, and you will have to wait 10 seconds and all your Facebook photos will disappear from your profile. You can check by yourself and you can make sure that this works. Leave a like if this video helped you. If you want to unhide these photos, go to the same settings and click on archive in the top left, and you want to click again, select all, and then you can select restore here at the very bottom left. So I hope, guys, this video made your solved your solution, solved your problem. See you.